So Raven made it through the night, and we made him his own little habitat to encourage wild foraging. Here's a closer look at him because y'all didn't get to see him yesterday really, except his head. He's alive and he's doing well. So yeah, this is Raven. We're nursing him back to health, and once he's big enough to hunt and fly on his own and eating on his own without the formula, we'll release him back into the wild where he belongs. But good news, he made it through the night.